2-cup pasta. 3 to 4 cup water. 1 tablespoon salt. Add pasta into boiled water. Take a bowl. Add 1 cup boneless chicken cubes. 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon tikka masala. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Vinegar. 2 tablespoon yogurt. Mix well. After 4 minutes, turn off the flame. Almost 90% cooked. Stain it. Wash with normal water. Chicken. Fry. One tablespoon oil. 1/2 tablespoon chopped garlic. 1 medium-sized, roughly chopped onion. 1/2 cup capsicum cubes. One cup cabbage. 1 salt to taste. Crushed black pepper. Red chili powder. Red chili flakes. tablespoon salt. Half tablespoon crushed black pepper. Red chili flakes. Mix it well. At this point, add all the vegetables. Add chicken cubes. Add boiled pasta. Add cheese on the top. Chili flakes on the top.